collections for gate fees on trucks to get out is going to be really good, $65 a truck. So we've got EFTPOS machines, so it'll be a quick process.
Everyone for coming, making the effort, and we look forward to seeing you during the day. Hope you have a great time, and hopefully a few of you back here tonight. Tonight, have a few beers, grab dinner, tell a few lies. We've got a charity auction of a few items again, and all the proceeds are going again to the Tramway Historical Society at Ferrymead. And that was, again, a place that Dave spent countless hours, and we know the money actually goes to good use, fixing up old stuff for preservation that we can all enjoy for the future years.